What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Story of My Life by One Direction on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial that I upload here on YouTube, I will include a skip to section right here, so you can skip to either the chords or the strumming section in this video. If you don't want to sit through the entire 10-minute video, I totally get you, but if you do, I would love you forever. But again, skip to section will be your best friend. Also, what I do want to note is I will be uploading a full play along for this song, which is basically me singing and strumming the entire song with the chords and lyrics on screen. So it's super easy play along for you. So make sure to come back to this channel. It's usually uploaded the day after I upload the tutorial. So definitely come back to this channel and watch that, play along with me, hang out. And yeah, so anyways, with that all being said and done, let's go ahead and learn these chords that we need for this song. So this song only has 5 chords, and those chords are A minor, C, D minor, F, and last but not least, G. So those are all the chords that we need for this song. If you're like, Ricky, I know all those chords, let's move on to the strumming. Again, I'll put the skip to section right here. You can skip to the strumming section of the video. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago, I don't know what an A minor or a C or an F or a G are, please help me. Don't worry, this is why this video exists. We're gonna go step by step on where to put our fingers on the uke for each chord, and then we'll talk about strumming. So if you wanna learn each chord and where to put your fingers for each chord, then just keep on watching. But before we talk about chords, let's talk about how we number the strings and the frets. So let's go pick up our uke, and the top string is going to be the 4th string. The next one down is going to be the 3rd. The next one down is going to be the 2nd. And the last one at the bottom, you probably guessed it, that's going to be the 1st string. Now let's go ahead and see how we number the frets. So I'm going to put my hand behind here. And as you can see, you have these lines right here. So this is going to be the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and then so on. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So once you feel comfortable with the numbering of the strings and the frets, let's go ahead and see where we put our fingers for each chord on the uke, coming right up. Alright, so let's go ahead and learn these chords. As always, I will include a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke. I feel like it's just a lot easier when you can visually see and then also have me talk you through it. So let's go ahead and talk about the first chord that we need for this song, which is the A minor chord. And how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, which again, that's the top string. 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to play it with your ring finger, and you're going to place your ring finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the D minor chord, and how I like to play this one is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then I'm going to take my middle finger and I like to go over the top 2 strings, which is the 4th and 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need for this song is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. So those are all the chords that you need for this song. If you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press pause right now and just get really comfortable and familiar with the finger positioning for each chord, and also making sure that they they sound crisp and clear. And once you have that, press play, and now let's talk about how we're gonna play the song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's talk about how we're gonna play this song with the strumming. So I'm gonna lay the C chord down, and the strumming pattern that we're gonna use is the down, up, down, up, down, up. So let's do that one more time with the C chord down in 3, 2, 1. Down, up, down, up, down, up. So once you add that strumming pattern in with the chords, it'll kind of just sound like this. The story of my life, I take her home, I drive all night to keep her warm and tan. So that's what it's going to sound like when you add that strumming pattern. Again, I will include the entire chord sheet in the description of this video so you can copy and paste it and keep it for yourself. But that is basically the entire strumming pattern they're going to use. Again, it's just going to be down, up, down, up, down, up. One little quick note as well is if you just started and you don't feel comfortable with strumming just yet, you can always just down strum. So whenever you see a chord change, and again, that chord sheet with the lyrics and chords will be in the description. So whenever you do see a chord change, and the chords will actually be right above the lyric that you need to change. So you're gonna read the song and you're gonna see that chord above that lyric, and you're just gonna change chords. So as soon as you see that chord change, just strum down. So again, if you just started, you don't feel comfortable strumming and singing at the same time, highly recommend that you just strum down and it'll sound just as awesome. Alright, so we talked about the chords and the different ways you can play this song with the strumming pattern or with the down strum. So congratulations, you now know how to play Story of My Life by One Direction on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and hit the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's just at Ricky Somborn. We've reached 56,000 Instagram family members, and I would love for you to join. So make sure to send me a DM if you do follow me. Let me know what video you came from YouTube, and let's start a little awesome chat and get to know each other. Also, one huge thing is I'm playing the Lava U ukulele. It is a tenor size uke and it's absolutely amazing. You can actually also customize the sound. You can edit the reverb, effect, volume, and delay. So it's basically a built-in amp in your uke. I highly recommend this one. It's such a cool looking uke. Again, it is from Lava Ukulele. I'll leave a link below so you can get this uke and we can be uke twins if you want. That'll be linked in the description below, so make sure to go check that out. So again, thank you Lava for making amazing ukes, and thank you so much for hanging out with me for these 10-15 minutes. I really do appreciate it. It's awesome just kind of getting to chill, relax, getting to learn a new song and hang out with you. So thank you so much for being here. I really do truly appreciate it, and we've reached 35,000 subscribers on this channel, which is absolutely mind-blowing. So again, huge thank you to you. I really do appreciate you watching and commenting and leaving a like and sharing the videos and just enjoying the videos. That's the most important thing, is that you're enjoying them, you like them, and whether you play ukulele, I know there's some people that don't even play the uke and they watch these videos because, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, they think I look funny, I don't know. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really truly do appreciate all of you, and you, especially you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You, I really do appreciate you watching these videos and leaving a comment and being super supportive. I absolutely love it. So again, thank you so much for everything. If you do want to get this uke, it'll be linked in the description. Let's be uke twins. I love when you guys get the ukes that I actually recommend, and then I'll be like, okay, we're uke twins now. We're like on a different level of like, you know, we're twinning. You know what I mean? So again, if you do want to get this, link in the description. I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.